I've been hearing a lot about these sheet pan quesadillas, and I've watched a few videos, and they sound so fun! Well, I thought I'd try my own version, and it's based on my favorite dish at Taco Bell. I'm gonna make a cheesy Gordita crunch sheet pan quesadilla. I love making up new things. Come and join me. We're gonna start by making that special sauce they put on the cheesy Gordita crunch. It's known as spicy ranch sauce or spicy ranchero sauce. Well, I'll show you how to make it. We need a cup of sour cream, a packet of ranch salad dressing mix, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and some hot sauce. Stir to combine. If you want it to be a little lighter, you could add a splash of milk. I'm just going to chill this in the fridge for a little bit. Grab yourself a sheet pan. This has certainly been used with love. I'm going to spread a little butter on the bottom. I need 6 tortillas going around the edge of this pan. See that overlap? Then you need one right in the middle. I'm adding some Mexican style cheese to the bottom of my pan. I'm just cooking up some chicken with a little Rotel tomatoes, lime juice, and taco seasoning. You could use ground beef too. And then add it on top. Plop some of that spicy ranch in there. Next, we need some Doritos for crunch that we're going to place all around the top. Cover with more cheese. Add one more tortilla to the center, and then comes the fun part. Fold those flaps over. And then spread more butter on the whole top. Place another sheet pan on top and press down a bit. I'm gonna bake this at 450 for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna remove that top sheet pan and bake for an additional 15 minutes. It looks wonderful. Just keep your eye on it so it doesn't get too dark when it's cooking. Now I'm just gonna let it cool down for a few minutes. Gonna cut that up. Add a little lettuce on top. And some more of that sauce. Cheesy Gordita sheet pan quesadilla. Wow. Perfect flavors. Love that sauce. And it's just a beautiful, hearty portion we have here. You gotta love this recipe. Thanks, Taco Bell, for inspiring it. Dong! Why can't you trust a taco? Because they always spill the beans.